Now read this story. Once upon a time, there was a man called Amin. What is the name of man? Amin. Keep in your mind the name of man is Amin. ठीक है? He lost all his crops in a drought. Underline the word DROUGHT. Drought. One. What is the meaning of this word? Let's see here. Rhymes with doubt. The pronunciation of this word is drought. ठीक है? Rhymes with doubt. And the meaning of this word is a long period of time when there is no rain. A long period of time without rain. ठीक है? Amin decided to look for work in another village. As you know that his all crops he lost his all crops in a drought because a long period of time there was no rain, so that's why he lost his crops. Amin decided to look for work in another village. Underline the word village. VILLAGE, village. And off he went, and off he went on his donkey. Before he left, he bought, you can underline the word bought, BOUGHT, bought. He bought a dozen. The word is dozen, DOZEN, dozen. You can underline this word also. Dozen means 12. Okay, dozen means 12. Dozen hard boiled eggs from a merchant. What is this word? Merchant. 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 What is the meaning of merchant? Merchant is a dealer, seller, a person who sells the things and promised to pay him later. Underline the word promised and also underline the word later. So in this paragraph, they are telling us about the Amin that he lost his all crops in drought. So he went to another village and he wanted to start a new work here. So before he left, he bought a dozen hard boiled eggs from a merchant. ठीक है? And Amin promised him to pay him later because he have no money. So he said, I will pay you later. 7 years later, Amin returned. Underline the word returned. 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 Amin returned to his village. He came on a fine black horse. You can see he is Amin and this is a black horse. Okay. After 7 years, Amin returned and he came on a fine black horse. Behind him was a camel, this one, carrying bags full of gold and silver coins. Underline the word carrying. 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 As you can see here, a camel is carrying a bag, ठीक है, and here are silver and golden coins in this bag, ठीक है. Gold and silver coins. Amin was a rich man now. Now, after 7 years, Amin is a very rich man. The news soon spread through the village. You can underline the word spread. 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 Through. 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 The news soon spread through the village. ठीक है? So, after 7 years, when Amin returned to his village, he came on a fine black horse, ठीक है, because he was a very rich man now, and he have a camel that is carrying a bag full of gold and silver coins. So everyone who lived in that village knew about Amin that he is a very rich man now. Soon, the merchant who had given him the dozen boiled eggs knocked at Amin's door. ठीक है? He went to Amin's door and knocked at his door. Pay back the debt you owe me. He said. ठीक है. What is you can underline the word knocked. 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 Whenever we go to anyone's home, ठीक है, and we have to knock at their doors. ठीक है. The meaning of knock. Boiled eggs knocked. Underline the word knocked. Okay. Pay back the debt you owe me. Pay back the debt you owe me. What is the meaning of debt? You can underline the word debt. D-E-B-T. D-E-B-T. Debt. Now here is the meaning. Debt. Debt rhymes with get. As the pronunciation of get, G-E-T, so it is also rhyme with get. Like the pronunciation of this word is debt. B should be silent here. D-E-B-T, but B should be silent here. The pronunciation of this word is debt. Money with that you have borrowed and have to pay back. That means the money you borrow from someone and you have to pay back. ठीक है? He said, give me 500 silver coins. 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought. Underline the word bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Amin refused to pay such a large sum. So, the merchant took his complaint to the judge. You can underline the word refused. R-E-F-U-S-E-D. Refused to pay such a large sum. So, the merchant took his complaint to the judge. You can underline the word complaint. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-T. Complaint. In this paragraph, they are saying that when a merchant knew about it, that Amin is a very rich man now, so he went to his door and knocked at Amin's door and asked him to give my money back. Give me 500 silver coins. ठीक है? And this is a very large amount, very big amount. ठीक है? Very large sum. So Amin refused to pay such a large amount. So merchant took his complaint to the judge. Merchant will go towards the judge. The merchant appeared in court. Underline the word appeared. Underline the word appeared. A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D. Appeared. The merchant appeared in court, but there was no sign of Amin. The judge waited and waited. Underline the word waited. W-A-I-T-E-D. The judge waited and waited. Suddenly, Amin rushed in, out of breath. Amin rushed in, out of breath. What is the meaning of out of breath? Here is the meaning, out of breath. Breath rhymes with death. As we pronounce the word death, the rhyme of this word is also breath. ठीक है? B-R-E-A-T-H, breath. And what is the meaning of out of breath? Breathing with difficulty after running. When you run a lot, ठीक है? So you feel some difficulty in breathing. ठीक है? Difficult breathing with difficulty. ठीक है? So Amin rushed in out of breath. He was feeling difficulty in breathing. At once, the merchant said, my lord, 7 years ago, my lord. You can underline the word lord, L-O-R-D, lord. What is the meaning of my lord? A phrase you use to address a judge, a respectable way of calling a judge, to addressing a judge, we use my lord. Okay? My lord, 7 years ago, this man took 12 eggs from me. 12 eggs would have become 12 chickens. These chickens would have become hens and cocks. The hens would have laid more eggs. The eggs would have hatched. Underline the word hatched. H-A-T-C-H-E-D. Hatched. into chickens. After 7 years, I would have had a large flock of birds.